DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The truth nobody tells you. Everyone's hyping the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And yeah, it's a beast. But today, we're diving into what DJI doesn't want you to know. The downsides. If you're thinking of dropping your cash on this, you'll want to hear this first. First off, while the build quality feels premium, it's still a brick. It's bulky compared to other action cams in its class. You'll notice it especially when mounting it on helmets or drones. Also, no protective lens cap out of the box. Seriously, D? Battery life? Meh. DJI claims about 160 minutes under ideal conditions, but once you start shooting 4K at 120 FPS or using stabilization features, you're lucky to hit 45 minutes. You'll need extra batteries, like the definitely. This thing heats up fast, especially in 4K or direct sunlight. Several users have reported thermal shutdowns, even during short 5–10 minute clips. Not ideal if you're out in the wild capturing once-in-a-lifetime moments. Built-in mics? Still not amazing. Wind noise is better than before. But don't expect vlog-level sound without an external mic. And using DJI's mic adapter? Yeah, good luck finding it. It's sold separately, often out of stock, and it's not cheap. Now the DJI Mimo app, still glitchy. Sometimes it won't connect, or it randomly lags when transferring large 4K files. And don't get me started on firmware updates. It feels like you're beta testing half the time. Look, the Osmo Action 5 Pro has serious strengths, but it's not flawless. From battery to overheating to app issues, there are things you should know before buying. If you're serious about action footage, factor in these cons before pulling the trigger. If you've used the Action 5 Pro, drop your thoughts below. What's your biggest gripe? And don't forget to like, sub, and hit that bell for more brutally honest reviews. Catch you in the next one.